So, veterano na. Meron pa talagang iba talaga yung sinasabing experience sa paglalaro. Ang lupit ng pagkakadali dito ni LeBron James at Anthony Davis. Ay. So ayan mga kabigos, isang malupit lang na highlights para sa ating lahat bago dumating ang naturang championship ng dalawang team na ito. So abang-abang na lang tayo. Kaya mga kabig boss, maglalagay lang tayo ng konting highlights sa laban ng LA Lakers at Miami Heat. Alam niyo naman siguro ang NBA at larong basketball sa atin ay napaka popular, lalo na dyan sa Pilipinas. So itong papanoorin natin na to ay isang highlights lang ng laban nila ng nakaraan. Titingnan natin kung sino ba talaga ang mananalo o magwawagi, uuwi ng corona ngayong season 2020 sa laban ng Miami at LA Lakers. So ito mga kabig boss, konting highlights lang at keep on watching. Sa bagay ako dito ay LA Lakers, although fans din ako ni Jimmy Butler dahil galing siya sa Chicago Bulls, pero syempre maka LA tayo. Ang laban ng LA at Miami Heat, sino ang magwawagi sa season 2020 na to? Lingid naman na sa ating, hindi naman lingid sa ating kaalaman na ang LA Lakers ay nasa all-star yung mga player nila. Walang panapon, ika nga. At marami ang nag-aabang sa championship na magaganap na to.
All-star, three-time defensive player of the year. Bam being chased down by Kuzma. Changed gears, Bam Adebayo, when he heard the footsteps. First score on their first 8 games. Bam for the dunk. The runway was clear. Bam with 2 scores in a row. That gets Frank Vogel popping off his bench.
Siya nga pala mga kabigwas, habang nanonood, mag-prepare na ng makukukot para ma-enjoy talagang labanan nito.
To JaVale. Oh, backhand layup is good. Counted in a foul. And we're able to go to you, and it really helped you kind of get your offense going.
Yeah, well, Warren is a starting point guard in this league on multiple teams. Those last 2 games was incredible. To get an opportunity to win my last game at home was great. And that photo that everyone sees with me and UD.
Shift around on this defense. Troy Daniels now. But he's doing work on an battle tonight with this Miami
offensive rebound by JaVale, and then the easiest hoop he's had tonight.
Yeah, so it's longer rebounds, tougher to run down. Miami's giving up a bunch of second chance
you're going to look to box out more because guys are running in from the three-point line.
He's gone.
Rockets averaging about 4.5 assists a contest. Lob to McGee. There it is. He's
Get it in the middle. Turn and attack. You've got numbered.
They thought they
Isang matinding labanan na ito mangyayari dito.
but we thank them for pushing us.
14-point Lakers lead now. Their biggest lead in the game as Butler hammered it down.
What it was when I was there, and he really making these cuts.
Para sa akin mukhang aabot ng Game 7 to.
Equal opportunity offense when I got
Dahil,
back, I
dahil
really
parehong malalakas.
Really clean looks out there beyond the arc. You know, the Heat's 5 wins, 120 points. With 6 wins, 120 points per game. And 2 losses, 99 points per game. LeBron gets it in. LeBron can have an opportunity to fire it to beat the clock. Boy, always have to seem to get rhythm there.
Kung noon may big 3 yung
LA, too.
Miami Heat,
Down the pace, forcing Miami with some
ngayon naman ay matindi din yung pagbabalik nila.
exactly halfway through.
Dahil nga sa kila Iguodala at saka Jimmy Butler. Plus pa yung mga rookies nila na talagang magagaling din talaga. Sa LA Lakers naman, walang panapon. Lahat ng player nila ay magagaling din. So, tingnan natin kung sino yung makakasungkit ng unang panalo. Mukhang kaabang-abang yung labanan na ito. Dahil nga napapabalita na itong si Jimmy Butler ay gumanda yung laro at pati ang pakikisama niya sa mga kapwa player nila. Meron kasi siyang mga pinanggalingan na ibang team na halos
For them, and this one here is the
ang punalan sa kanya ay wala siyang makasundo.
something over.
Ultimong sa mga star player na ng mga team na ito. Pero dito sa Miami Heat, sabi-sabing siya na ngayon ang naging leader ng Miami Heat ngayon. Miami Heat team.
Fourth-rated team defensively in the league.
Dito makikita yung talagang galing ng Miami Heat.
That's Bam doing a nice job. And against JaVale, moving a little bit. And that was a nice patient possession there.
Onto Adebayo. Foul there, one. Bam.
One, LeBron giving you that step. And number 2, use the window and some arm.
Bam Adebayo with the mismatch, and there's a look at the defensive prowess of Anthony Davis.
Watch Anthony Davis work. So again, you're working a 2-man game, and the minutes where Bam and Jimmy have played.
He's coming off the bench this year, but other guys certainly would factor into that starting lineup. Up top and a punch by AD right to the jaw.
Isang magaling din naman talagang player to si Davis.
Foot of Myers Leonard. Derek Jones. Butler with the finish. Missing 11 games with an injury. Davis option number 1, and that's a good option.
Everybody's position.
Tandem ng
Deflections, nice
Davis
play.
tsaka James.
James muscling inside, and Howard wasn't expecting it.
Boy, another turnover. He's really struggling. He's 2 for 8. A turnover there.
Jones muscled it in over Dwight Howard. This will go to Atlanta, and Indiana followed by Milwaukee. LeBron and 1 fouled. James with the board. And a quick hit ahead to Davis. They do that repeatedly, and that's often the result.
Look at how close the Miami defensive player is, and yet the only guy who can catch it is Anthony Davis.
They do that at least a couple times a game.
Correct.
That is one. Careless turnovers, too.
Ito naman yung best of hits na tinatawag nila.
That is just dunking goodness right there.
Kung paano laruin nila yung kalaban.
Throwing it down literally because he couldn't get all the way to the basket.
36 points for the Heat rookie backcourt. 2 more coming here for Nunn.
Tyler Hero.
Kendrick Nunn, welcome to the big leagues. 13th through
Nunn.
first half tonight in their home opener. Tyler
Enta. So talagang
Nearby, Milwaukee.
may kalupitan talaga itong
Here comes Bledsoe.
Miami Heat na to.
Bam! With a great block from behind. Potentially a game-saving block. Slow with the rebound. The Heat have dominated the last 3.5 minutes. Look at that! Oh my! The flying down
Iba
to the
yung
finish.
datingan. So next tayo.
By Micah.
So yun mga big boss, hindi na natin na patatagalin, hindi na natin na titignan kung ano yung best ng LA Lakers. Siguro naman alam nyo na yung mga datingan ng mga laruan nila. So ayan, abang-abang na lang sa championship na magaganap, labanan nila. So may bali-balita din kasi na itong LA Lakers ay talagang gusto mag-champion para dito kay sa namayapa nilang star player na si Kobe Bryant. So tingnan natin kung pagbibigyan ba sila ng Miami Heat o hindi. Sino ang mananaig? Sino ang uuwi ng corona? Yun ang kaabang-abang at ating subaybayan sa nalalapit na championship nga ng mga nasabing malalakas na team na ito mula sa Western at mula sa Eastern. So ayan mga ka-big boss, God bless at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Naway gabayan tayo ni Lord sa lahat ng ating gagawin at bigyan pa niya tayo ng umaapaw na biyaya sa ating buhay. Thank you so much. Mabuhay po tayo lahat. Ayan, about sa highlights ng ating napanood, just comment below. Paki-subscribe na rin mga ka-big boss. Like and share. At pakisuportahan na lang din po yung aking channel na ito, The Big Boss Channel, GRA. Thank you so much. Mabuhay tayong lahat.